Why does it feel like France keeps getting the best BMW drops while everyone else just watches? Because BMW has just introduced two special edition F900 models that look seriously good. And the painful part is, they're restricted to the French market only. BMW Motorrad France has officially revealed a special edition, BMW F900R, and a special edition BMW F900XR. And if this sounds familiar, it's because France has done this before. Not long ago, BMW France rolled out exclusive dark editions of the F900 GS and R1300 GS. And once again, other countries missed out. So yeah, France is winning again. This time, the focus is all about visual impact, with styling inspired by BMW's Automotive M lineup. The F900R wears a new frozen gray finish that looks sleek, understated, and expensive. And the F900XR comes dressed in a standout Aurelius green scheme that instantly screams special edition. BMW Motorrad France even points out that the Aurelius green color is typically reserved for the M1000XR, which makes this XR edition feel even more premium and rare. As for pricing, the F900R is set at €9,500, while the F900XR is listed at €12,200. Under the bodywork, it's still the familiar F900 formula. No engine overhaul here. Both models keep the 895 cubic centimeters parallel twin, delivering 103 brake horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 68.6 pounds-feet of torque at 6,750 revolutions per minute. In other words, the performance stays the same. The difference is the factory-fresh style and exclusivity. And honestly, that's the smart part. BMW is giving riders a built look straight from the showroom. Something that feels custom without the hassle of wraps, paint jobs, or chasing matching parts. If these kinds of editions keep selling out, it wouldn't be surprising to see more regional special runs like this. Hopefully for more markets, not just France. To complete the look, BMW is also offering optional add-ons that match each color theme. For the F900R, there's a tinted windshield, plus a seat cover and engine cover that pair with the frozen gray finish. For the F900XR, you can spec a high-tinted windshield and a matching Aurelius green engine cover. So let me ask you, if these were available where you live, which one are you picking? F900R in frozen gray or F900XR in Aurelius green? Drop your choice in the comments. And if you want more quick motorcycle news like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.